Alright, so my PS4 HDMI is fine. Like 100% okay. There's no bentness, there's no nothing. No pins bent, as you guys can tell. There's no bent pins. There's no problem with the pins. Alright, so this is a PS4 Slim. And every time I have plugged it into this, it just says no signal. I've tried the rebooting, the hold it down for 8 seconds, then all that, whatever, put it in the automatic thing. I actually ended up doing the rebooting process without even seeing the screen, like adjusting it to your automatic everything. I did that. Still doesn't work. So I was wondering if any of you guys have a fix. HDMI is not working on the screen. It doesn't work and the pins are okay. So, and HDMI cable and everything's fine. I'll show you that real quick too. HDMI pins are fine. Those are fine. So, if anyone has a fix to this, I'd really appreciate it because it does not work. And I've tried so many different things, watched so many different videos, and as you guys can tell, nothing is bent in there. So if you guys have any fixes, let me know. Alright, thank you guys for watching.